Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Basically, we are discussing another topic here. Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna here. Basically, we are discussing another topic that is future creation. That is basically the city. In this, basically, we are discussing about one of the account basically that is India account. In this, basically, you can replace your account and add your country's name account and whatever content basically is of India. Basically, I have added here of Indian content. You can add basically of your countries basically and see basically what are the things going to happen. So that topic actually we are discussing. In this basically we have taken 3 points basically. In this first point is SBI account, second is Amazon account, third is after 2 days basically the earthquake is going to come. In this basically we are discussing one topic that is lava creation. This basically we have added in earthquake. There are reasons basically. We have discussed lots of things about lava, lots of things. So again, basically, we are going to discuss little bit more basically. After that, basically, just see how the earthquakes are going to connect basically, because each and everything basically we have discussed na, that is going to affect to certain level of energies. For example, thousand buildings basically are handling by Microsoft Group basically in Bangalore city. That example we already saw. If that lava basically which is dumped into the Mumbai city, that basically can disturb that thousand buildings also. Up to what level basically the things are connected that we are going to see basically. That's why basically lots of says that whatever energy basically we see in the environment basically and whatever energy which is created by the companies, they keeps their protection basically. They keeps their protection basically. That's why this is the reason basically. And there are many reasons basically. In the energy basically there are lots of protection. So in this the topic basically which is ongoing, that is of 1 lakh projects which is currently ongoing on the base of lava creation group basically, which basically is currently at, assume that basically it is at the right side of the land basically, and they are giving the power supply to Mumbai. That data basically is that lava data is within Mumbai only. Lots of people basically ask the question basically, the power supply basically which the city gets, that basically is from local only, right? Basically, for example, in Mumbai city, 1 lakh project is ongoing. They are getting the power supply from where basically? From the local power plant only. But they are connected up to what level basically? They are connected up to the lava data basically. And that lava data basically is containing future data. That also will not believe basically they can generate the next human generation or next generation also. Husband, wife, romantic energy basically attracted into their body from that lava energy. That energy basically clicked. Why? Because that romantic energy was at which romantic energy was attracted, that is going to generate child basically. That kind of energy was there. So here basically what actually the lava groups are doing, they are actually generating the future data basically. That child basically was the future data. That child actually was the future data. So here one of the person basically asked the question. Currently, Mumbai basically is doing the projects. Whatever projects basically they are going to do. For example, 1 lakh project basically they have done. The energies are collected, and that energy basically are going to be used where basically some parts of energy basically are going to use in lava data basically, some of the part basically are going to use in human need creation, some of the parts basically are going to use in some other human need purpose. But in lava creation basically that data is going to be used, because that 1 lakh project is of the future creation basically. So one of the person brother, do you know the exact combination basically up to what level the data basically gets plus or basically gets added? For example, this 1 lakh data, 1 lakh projects energy got generated. The nuclear power company have the data. So nuclear power company divides this 1 lakh data in which all departments. First department basically they divide, that is lava department. Second is the human need creation factories. They divide the data to there basically. Then basically they divide the data to future creations. Future creations means this example basically I had taken. That is basically the moods basically. And on the base of mood, the child basically gets generates. So you can just imagine basically.
એચડી પ્રતિ દિવસ ડેટા અને 100 SMS પ્રતિ દિવસ પૂરા મહિના માટે વી સાથે જોડાયેલા રહો અને સર્વિસીસનો લાભ લો.
So you can just able to imagine basically that up to what level the creation basically is connected. Few people says that your generation basically is ended. Somebody ended your generation. Somebody ended your generation. That how you tracked basically. That I tracked means from the lava creation basically. For example, somebody called. For example, I am basically having some mobile, and in that basically companies basically I purchased one SIM card also. At that SIM card basically, which company with the SIM card basically which I purchased of the particular company, whenever basically I'm going to do the registration of SIM card basically, they immediately knows that basically that his generation will go next or basically the generation will not go next. Why? Because the SIM card departments and the mobile departments are also taking the parts in future creation. So they picks those data only, and they picks the data basically, that kind of data basically up to what level the future basically is of that particular person. For example, one of the mobile company basically picked me, and they told that basically we want basically some future creation from this body basically. So they basically tracked it, and they basically tracked that basically his generation basically is ended basically. So they also have the data basically. They also basically have the data basically. You will not able to believe it basically that they also gets the data. So one person basically when generation gets ended basically the new the SIM card company, the mobile company, for example, Apple Mobile, Samsung Mobile, then the Nokia Mobile, Motorola Mobile, this whole company basically gets the information that his generation has ended. But the person whose generation basically has ended, he don't know that his generation has ended by Mumbai city, which was written by one of the writer of Lava Writer. So one of the person told that the big businessmen they might be also knowing 100%. If one simple mobile company basically might is knowing that basically his generation has ended, then why basically the businessman basically will not know that his generation has ended on the base of the creation of Mumbai has done basically. So whenever the lava basically is dumped into the Mumbai city, that is it at the Charni road basically. At the Charni road basically the lava has dumped. That time Sunil R. Nair future basically was ended by Indian nationality. Here basically why I am telling India, because Mumbai is controlling entire India, and across the world basically whatever Indian basically are connected, they are connected with Indian country. So that's why I added Indian nationality across the world. So Indian nationality basically ended Sunil R. Nair generation. In really basically they have not ended, just taking as a user story basically. If in assume that basically in really they have ended, then basically what is going to happen basically? Just taking as an example. World is going to end, entire universe is going to end, entire dot basically which is moving, that is going to end, or basically what is going to end? Or basically whole world basically will become one and basically Indian nationality will get end. That is going to happen. Just taking as an example basically. Nothing basically more basically. So one of the person told that Sunil तेरा you are in Hindi basically तेरा generation तो खत्म कर दिया मुंबई ने. Mumbai city basically which is near sea water, they basically ended your generation here basically. You don't know basically. Even basically big software company also know that his generation basically has ended. Even basically the mobile company, the SIM card company, they also know that basically his generation basically has ended. So one of the person told that yeah, basically just the person whose generation basically has ended, he don't know that his generation basically has ended. But rest of the world basically know that basically his generation has ended by Indian nationality. Here basically in really basically my generation has not ended. Here basically I'm just taking as an example so that basically the thing basically which I am displaying that should be very clear. So one of the person told that the Mumbai cities basically is creating lots of stuff basically. One is they are creating future lava data, that is the future projects. Current project basically which is ongoing of 1 lakh, that project data also basically that lava groups basically are sorry, that 1 lakh project is also ongoing. That 1 lakh projects are taking data from that power company which is dumped into that lava. So these two tasks are basically ongoing. Rest of group basically are uh, doing the task of these people. But Bollywood basically has not reached up to the lava basically. Bollywood group has not reached up to the lava. They only know the current and little bit future generation. That means 10 years after what is going to happen, 20 years after what is going to happen, 30 years after what is going to happen, after 1 days what is going to happen, after 2 days what is going to happen, after 3 days what is going to happen, after 1 week what is going to happen. So this everything basically they know, but not up to very dangerous level basically. Little bit basically they know. They know the climate what is going to be. This everything basically they know. They don't know my date of death basically. For example, one person told that yeah, your future generation basically Mumbai city has ended. That means they have basically written your date of death basically. Date of birth basically you we basically know, but your date of death basically is also written by the Indian nationality. Here basically I am not adding Mumbai basically. Here basically I am adding Indian nationality. Why? That basically I have already told. So here one of the person told that this is the user stories which I have taken as an example of myself. And in this user story, I had told that basically that I have told that Sunilar Nair next generation basically has ended by Mumbai, sorry, not Mumbai, Indian nationality. Because Mumbai is the heart of India basically. And India is basically connected with whole world basically. Because everywhere basically Indian nationality exists. Even Israel, Iran, UAE, Dubai, USA, UK, Italy, Ireland, everywhere Indian basically are there. Basically. That's why I added Indian nationality. So in this basically, the people who created the lava data basically, they have ended your generation. And in this, basically, who creates the lava data, who have the power of creation? That is the investment group, who are the set of businessmen, basically. Who are the set of businessmen, basically. They invest into that lava, and in that, basically, the investment group basically demands that, basically, and Sunilar Nair generation. Here, basically, I am taking my user story, basically. That in future creation, in lava creation, basically, only businessmen basically can do the investment, basically. But they don't have the authority of that lava, basically. Authority is with government only, basically. Government gives the tender to certain level of businessmen, and they basically accepts it, basically, that basically I am ready to do this project. Project means this 1 lakh is one project, and this 1 lakh project basically which is ongoing in Mumbai city, that is basically of the few businessmen investment, basically, which was done by long before, basically. So one of the person told that currently, basically, which the lava basically creation is ongoing under the Charni Road, under the Charni Road, basically, which businessman basically, sorry, the lava creation is basically ongoing under Charni Road, that is basically invested by which businessman, basically. And how, basically, what is that businessman demand, and what basically is the project, basically, which he is going to create. So one person told that the project design, basically, is not a easy task, basically. He basically told that basically this is the project which in future, basically, they are going to create. In future, basically, they are going to create. So according to that, the lava group basically has created lava data, and according to the lava data which is going to dump into particular city, that is in Mumbai, and that city's group basically are going to use that lava data in future for the power supply, for the power supply. So you can just able to imagine, basically, what is the things basically connected here. What are the things basically connected here? So we will basically see, basically, what actually generation end is. This was in Russia, basically. France. This is in Arabic. This is in Malayalam. So these all are basically the languages. See Tamil also. Basically. So see, this was basically in Tamil also. So one of the person told that Sunila Nair basically next generation was ended. That Sunila Nair basically tracked from lava creation companies. They basically told that basically Sunila Nair basically next generation is ended. So one of the person told that, oh, yeah, that is very dangerous thing, yeah, basically. One person next generation basically ends basically. Next generation basically gets end basically. So next, just a minute, I will just come. So person's next generation basically gets end. That basically who decides? For example, Sunil Nair basically next generation basically ended. That is decided by whom basically? Bollywood groups or basically the big businessmen basically or the political people basically sitting at the parliament house basically. That group decides. Who actually decides basically? So we will see if, one by one basically. Just a minute. Parliament house means this basically. Listen basically.
आपको एक बार फिर बता दें, आज सुबह 8 बजे अफजल गुरु को फांसी दे दी गई। 2001 के संसद हमले में साजिश का दोषी था अफजल गुरु। क्या हुआ था 13 दिसंबर 2001 को, जानते हैं इस रिपोर्ट में।
See basically.
सुबह 11 बजे तक संसद भवन में सब कुछ सामान्य ढंग से चल रहा था। कारगिल ताबूत घोटाले को लेकर सदन की कार्रवाई स्थगित होने के बाद सांसद अपने घर जाने की तैयारी कर रहे थे। 11 बज के 35-36 मिनट हुए होंगे और हम सब अंदर इस आयरन गेट से अंदर जाने लगे। जैसे ही हम अंदर पहुंचने वाले थे, गोलियों की आवाज सुनाई दी और मैं पलट के यहाँ पे वापस भागा। आतंकवादियों के पास AK-47 राइफलों के अलावा हथगोले भी थे। जब इनको मुख्य इमारत में घुसने से रोका गया तो उन्होंने पहले हथगोले फेंके और फिर अंधाधुंध गोलियां चलानी शुरू कर दी।
So this is about the parliament house where basically they are sitting basically. All businessmen. So not businessmen basically. The businessmen representative group basically. So they basically have the authority to decide next generation. Now basically which all are the group basically who have the authority. In this basically we will see few what is actually the Bollywood movie that you see basically.
मुझे प्यार हो गया। तुमने प्यार से देखा जब से मुझे मेरा दिल बेकरार हो गया। पहली बार मिले हैं, मिलते ही दिल ने कहा मुझे प्यार हो गया। तुमने प्यार से देखा जब से मुझे मेरा दिल बेकरार हो गया।
So this is also basically Bollywood. They basically also have full power. Few more Bollywood basically you see.
मेरे साथी मेरे साजन मेरे साथ यूं ही चलना। मेरे साथी मेरे साजन मेरे साथ यूं ही चलना। बदलेगा रंग जमाना पर तुम नहीं बदलना। मेरी मांग यूं ही भरना तारे हजार बनके। तू है पागल तू है जोकर तू है दिलबर जानी। सबसे प्यारा मेरा यारा राजा हिंदुस्तानी।
So this is actually Bollywood, and they have the authority to create next generation and to finish next generation. They basically decides that his generation is ended, his generation is ended, his generation basically can go next, his generation basically can go next. Like this, basically they decides, and this data basically are given to the writer of the lava group basically. And currently, where these people basically are staying, they are in Mumbai basically. And Parliament House basically, people basically where they are staying in Delhi basically, which is near Himalaya mountain, which is near Uttar Pradesh, Noida. So one of the person told that your next generation basically was ended, Sunil. That was basically from Mumbai city. Sorry, not Mumbai city, I'm telling. By Indian nationality. So Indian nationality ended your generation. Indian nationality ended your generation. On the basis of what they ended here basically there might be some source basically that literally basically they told that भाई इसका generation खत्म कर इसका generation खत्म कर इसका generation खत्म कर like this basically they are telling it. They might be having some source na basically. So on the basis of what basically they decided that his generation basically is ended, and he basically is not able to go into next future basically. His future basically is dark basically. His future basically is finished. That was basically told by Indian nationality and their group basically. Here basically I'm just taking as an example. So that basically you can able to understand actually what it is dumped into the lava. So like this basically one of the person told that how many sources basically are there who decides the future generation. That is basically currently the lava is moving at the Charni Road, which is before Grand Road. After Grand Road, basically it's a Mumbai Central. After Mumbai Central, basically it's a Mahalakshmi. After Mahalakshmi, basically it is a I think Lower Parel. Then Lower Parel, basically then it comes to I think Dadar. Then basically after Dadar, basically lots of station basically. Then the Bandra. Then after Bandra, basically Andheri. Then Andheri lots of station basically are then Malad, Kandivali, then Borivali. After that, basically the Dahisar like this basically comes to Virar is also there. So up to Virar, basically the lava data basically are dumped, and in that basically they have written that Sunil R Nair basically next generation is ended. So in next video basically we are going to see little bit more about which all are the sources basically who told that Sunil R Nair next generation is ended.